Hello everyone, my name is Victor, a certified solar installer and online trainer. This is the solar system sector we did for a client at Lekki area of Lagos. It entails 10 kilowatt 48 volt SRNE high voltage inverter with two MPPT trackers, maximum output power of 10 kilowatt and a maximum peak power of 20 kilowatt. It has motor capacity of 6 horsepower. We have 2 units of 10 kilowatt Felicity lithium ion phosphate battery, 16 units of 605 watt Jinko bifacial solar panels, breakers, surge arresters, and cables. This setup is powering all the basic loads and 2 air conditioners in the house. Let me know your biggest question about residential and commercial solar in the comments. Don't forget to also click the link in our bio to subscribe to our free online training. Thank you.